Welcome to the world of tires. Most riders think a tire is just a piece of rubber, but after 27 years of designing and manufacturing tires, we've learned that a great tire is much more than that. It's the only part of your bike that touches the ground. It affects your grip, comfort, speed, safety, and confidence on every ride. Welcome to Juceo. I'm glad you're here. For the past 27 years, we've specialized in the research, development, and manufacturing of bicycle, e-bike, motorcycle, and specialty tires. Our products are trusted by riders in countries around the world, and every tire we build is backed by years of engineering, testing, and manufacturing experience. But we didn't create this channel to sell tires. We created it because we believe every rider deserves to understand the equipment they rely on every day. Have you ever wondered why mountain bike tires look so different from road bike tires? Why some tires roll faster while others provide more grip? Why tire width, tread pattern, or rubber compound can completely change your riding experience? We'll answer those questions. We'll explain how tires are designed, how different technologies work, and how to choose the right tire for your riding style. Throughout this channel, we'll take you behind the scenes of tire development and manufacturing. We'll share real product testing, compare different tire designs, explain new technologies, and answer the questions riders ask most often. Whether you're commuting to work, riding trails, exploring the city on an e bike, or simply enjoying weekend rides, we hope our experience can help you enjoy every mile even more.